In the event that you're searching for a share vastness cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and especially need to know where the costs of a share limitlessness axes will sort of go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of a share boundlessness axes and will sort of figured out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part, remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this truly is just the idea of some market master examiners in a very large way. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should in a real sense start a share boundlessness especially past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of a share vastness is $4.42, and AXS is at present position number 55 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of a share endlessness most certainly is 141,310,643, with a market cap of $624,183,908, which is genuinely huge. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been basically diminished by 0.19% in its ongoing worth. Assuming that we by and large look at the ongoing business sector cap of the axes with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. A share boundlessness is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The axes in every practical sense is down to nearly 6.36% in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for certainly beyond couple of days. The coin could major areas of strength for have however. We don't, all things considered, feel that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they truly thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of AXS especially diminished by 53.000%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $4.98 from its especially current worth amazingly. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can, in a real sense, be a decent sort of purchase, a valuable open door for fundamentally fast speculation. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 62.34%, and the cost circled from an especially least typical cost of $10.80 to most extreme normal cost of $12.31 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in a truly significant manner. A share boundlessness is somewhere near 33.57%. With the greatest truly normal cost of the coin was around $6.96, and the base truly normal cost of, for the most part, was around $6.76 in truly beyond 4 months. We really foresee future a share boundlessness cost expectations axis figure, by applying especially profound pretty man-made consciousness, helped specialized investigation on the especially past value information of a share vastness. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the AXS coin, which in every way that really matters, incorporate numerous boundaries like genuinely past value, a share vastness market cap, a share endlessness volume, and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies, and basically need great profit from sort of your ventures, make in every practical sense sure to peruse our expectations. As a matter of fact, a share limitlessness value expectation 2023 a share vastness cost in every practical sense is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $6.80 in 2023. According to our discoveries, the AXS cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme especially conceivable degree of $7.73. With the typical figure cost of $7.10 in an unpretentious manner. A share boundlessness value expectation 2024, according to the figure and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of a share limitlessness is supposed to especially reach at an extremely least value worth of $9.45. The AXS cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $11.63. with the typical worth of $9.73, or so they thought. AXS value estimate for 2025 a share endlessness cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $13.89 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the AXS cost could by and large arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $16.59, with the typical estimate cost of $14.28, which is genuinely critical. A share endlessness, AXS value expectation 2026. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of a share limitlessness is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $20.65, which is very critical. The AXS cost can arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $24.06, with the typical exchanging cost of $21.36. Incredibly, a share endlessness value forecast 2027. The cost of a share limitlessness fundamentally is essentially anticipated to basically reach at least degree of $30.79 in 2027. The share endlessness cost can arrive at a very most extreme degree of $36.59, with the typical cost of $31.65 all through 2027, in spite of mainstream thinking. In opposition to mainstream thinking, a share endlessness value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of AXS, in 2028, the cost of a share boundlessness is determined to generally be at around a base worth of $43.83, which is genuinely critical. The share vastness value worth can basically arrive at a truly limit of $52.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $45.10 in United States dollars. A share limitlessness, AXS value expectation 2029, as per our profound specialized examination on for the most part past value information of AXS, in 2029, the cost of a share vastness is anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of $65.66. The AXS cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $76.47, with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $67.46. A share limitlessness value estimate 2030. The cost of a share vastness generally is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $95.60 in 2030. The share boundlessness cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $114.77, with the for the most part normal exchanging cost of $98.98 all through 2030. A share limitlessness, AXS value forecast 2031. The cost of a share boundlessness is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $146.99 in 2031. The share boundlessness cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $166.70, with the typical exchanging cost of $150.95 all through 2031, which essentially is very huge. In a truly significant manner.